To make a left leaning decrease on our stockinette stitch, we're going to use SSK, Slip Slip Knit. To do this, I'll just work a couple of knit stitches to get to the point where I would like to decrease leaning to the left. I'll just work 2 stitches. The slip slip part of the slip slip knit is slipping the next 2 stitches knitwise, one at a time. So we'll insert our right needle into the stitch as if we're going to knit, so knitwise, but instead of knitting, we'll slip it off. Again, for the second stitch, we'll slip it knitwise, so insert the right needle and slip it onto the left. The knit part of the slip slip knit is to knit these 2 stitches together. To do that, we'll insert our left needle into both of those as one, forming the decrease, and we'll knit those 2 stitches as one, wrapping the yarn around the right needle, pulling through, and we've decreased those 2 stitches into one, and that will make a left lean. I'll knit across, and you can see how that leans left. Here you can see that angles towards the left. Slip, slip, knit.